Hey, what's up, friends? Today we are in the southern part of India in the state of Kerala, and I'm with my Couchsurfing host Abhishek.
Yo, man.
And his beautiful mother. And our awesome new friend Hari, right? Yeah. And we're going on a little adventure. Where are we going today?
We are going to Adirapalli waterfalls.
The largest in southern India. All right. So we are on our way.
Second largest. First one is in Shimoga.
Okay. But it's still pretty large. I'm excited. Let's go check it out. Well, we made it, and I found some monkeys. But first, let's get some food. Yum.
This is rasam and looking like that.
Let me try it.
Starter like soup.
All right, let's eat. All right, let's go get a closer view of this waterfall. Wow, I don't think I can bring my camera over there because it is wet. Check this out. Oh my God. These people are getting soaked. I gotta keep my distance because every time the wind blows over here, the water just comes and get everybody soaked. And I have some electronics on me right now that I don't really want to get wet. So as we were walking down here, I saw people that were soaking wet, and I was like, oh wow, they jumped in, they went in the water. No, it turns out you just stand near the waterfall and you get completely soaked like we did right here. That was really cool. Well, I wasn't able to film too much down there since it was so wet, so this is what it looks like from above. They think it's a photo. Woo! Hey! It's a video. Yo! Double hands. All right, getting the drone ready to go. Oh, good. Yeah, that was an awesome adventure. Now it's time to head back home.
No, we are going towards a few more.
More fun.
All right. Now it's time to go do some more fun things. What else are we doing now?
Okay, we are going to another waterfall.
No
waterfall.
No waterfall, just we can see the whole view of forest and all.
All right.
Yeah.
Never mind, we're not going back home. We're going to see more views of forest and nice things. Let's go do that. And we found more waterfalls. Woo, 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 So we took a little pit stop on our way home to get some food. Waiting for it now. We're getting biryani, right? Biryani. And biryani is different in different parts of India, correct? So is this Kerala? What is it?
It's a kulimandi.
Yeah. Kulimandi biryani. It's coming right now, so you'll see it soon. Here it is. Boom. That's a wrap. Alright, we made it back to the house, had an awesome day.
Thanks for watching.
And make sure to like and subscribe.
Peace.
Yeah! Bye-bye! Boom!